At least at a time frame putting Kautele.
Yeah.
So all the department basically will have to give the court a time frame when they are going to complete the work and all.
Yeah.
सो सर हे बरें जालें म्हणटा तुमी की हायकोर्टान एक हे घेतला
बरें जालें एटलीस्ट एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आतां आसतली and High Court basically will take into account of the works which has been going on and the date basically of completion of this work. Otherwise what happens, and they would put the see, one department blames the other. See, water supply department blame the PWD for roads, then other that sewage department, there are other different departments which are involved into that. So it is a good thing that court has basically taken cognizance of this.
Court has remarked all departments, even tourism and PWD.
Good. So now basically the responsibility will be on each department whichever is doing this work to basically to see that the work is completed on time. And quality of the work also, I'm sure court will look into it later on.
तुम्ही खूप फावटी क्वालिटी बरी जावची म्हणून
So that's the reason I'm saying, no, आता कौतले सारखे कितें फाल्यां जर पावस आनी कितें फ्लडिंग जालें हें जालें that will be a part of the job.
सो लायबिलिटी आता फिक्स जाला सो
Liability fixed जाला, date fixed झालेला आहा, so we will come, there will be no fooling around, they will come to know exactly the date and people of Panjim basically will come to know when the work will be completed on time.
सर ट्रॅफिक हेचेर सुद्दां कोर्टान इनिशिएटीव स्वता घेतले म्हणून सांग म्हटलं एक रिमार्क केला
कामां चल्लेली आहा सगळे
या
सो देखून ट्रॅफिक ब्लॉक जावपाचें आहा कित्याक वच तेंकां आनीक दुसऱ्यान डायवर्शन घेवपाक जाय सो द थिंग इज गुड एज आय सेड इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड इज अ पॉजिटीव फॉर दिस and it is a responsibility now will come on the officers to do their work.
Thank you.